Hi, I'm here to show you just how easy it is to offer free or discounted gifts to your customers on your Shopify store. Introducing the amazing Smartcheckout Widgets app on Shopify. Make sure you have the Smartcheckout Widgets app installed on your Shopify store. The app is fully functional and free of cost on development stores. Its interface is super intuitive and easy to use. First, create a new widget. As you can see, it offers many features, but the one I'm really excited to show you is the Smart Checkout Gifts. Select Gift and give it a name. You only need one such widget for your checkout. Let's save it. Next, add it to the checkout. Let's copy the ID of this new widget. In the customizer, let's add a new Smart Checkout app widget. Paste the ID of the widget we just created. The content displayed here is just for the editor. It will not display on the front end. This is only a preview. Let's move this widget that we just created to a more appropriate location, where it is available during all the steps of the checkout process. Just below the coupon code field is a good place. Perfect. Let's save it. Next, go to the Discounts panel. Create a new discount and select the Smart Checkout gift. Write a unique coupon code. Let's set a discount for the gift item, making it 100%. Now, let's select the product to be offered as gift. Let's select the $100 gift card. There are other settings that provide you with a lot of flexibility, but these are the main ones for now. Save it, and that's it. Now let's do a checkout. Go to Checkout. Enter the gift code. Once applied, the gift will be added automatically, and the discount will be applied. How cool is that? If the coupon code is removed, the gift is removed as well. And that's it. See how easy it is to set up. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information on great checkout features for your Shopify store, please do check out the Smart Checkout Widgets app for Shopify.